today we're making crazy, sexy kale chips with a twist. So we take some cashews. I've been soaking these cashews overnight. I'm going to put in a little pepper, a 1/4 cup of onion powder. Now the onion powder makes these taste so good. These need salt. Garlic cloves. We're gonna put in some curry powder. And then I love to put in some Nutritional yeast. So this gives it that nice cheesy flavor. We're gonna add some water. So I blended this in my high-speed blender. I have 3 cups of kale. And I start ooh, this is nice and warm, so nutritious, so delicious. Put it out on a parchment lined pan. I just cook this in my oven and these get crispy, they turn into chips, and they are really, really good. That's it.